Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Barclays account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Barclays account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in barclays.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Barclays login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the barclays.co.uk over here. Click over there on the personal banking, and you can see this is also the Barclays website. Let's accept all the cookies. Now you can see these pages are a little bit similar. One is of the home of Barclays and one is on the barclays.co.uk. Let's click on the home Barclays again. Now to log into your Barclays account from the home page from over here, you'll be required to click on the online banking button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on there, and after that you'll be redirected to the login page of Barclays. You can see the membership number. You can log in through your card number or your sort code and account number, and but for us it will be the membership number. You'll be required to enter your last name and your membership number over here, and after that click on continue to log into your Barclays account from over here. And from over here you'll be required to click on the login. You can see the login option at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login. This was one page was from the direct web address, while this was from the Google. So now from the Google also we have landed on the same page, and similarly you'll be required to enter your last name, your membership number over here, and then click on continue to log into your Barclays account from your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your Barclays account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.